We've had a lot of exciting things that happen over the last 24 hours, and this has caused the crypto market to go on some nice runs. And luckily, XRP has been able to partake in this, currently broken out above all of its moving averages, hitting some levels we discussed over the past week and a half or so. And what was great yesterday is that we got a major confirmation that may bring more interest and buying to XRP in the short term. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So looking at XRP, yes, we are in fact broken out. We busted through our 20-day moving average with a very nice daily candle up about 6%. And today we started off on a very similar note, up about a point and a half as the day has gone on. We actually ran all the way to our 618 levels like we were talking about over the last week and a half or so. And what we are continuing to see again is this playing out of this inverse head and shoulders. We have XRP currently breaking out right at the edge of this, and you know, things are looking frankly very good. And a lot of this excitement stemmed from one, BTC going on a major explosive breakout through all of its moving averages to the upside. Two, we had major institutional buying take place. But really the reason that this all started is because there was huge news about trade deals being struck up with India, 34 countries currently in negotiations, tariffs being significantly lowered versus China. These are all big things that finally caused all this pressure from the bottom to actually burst through the ceiling. And that's great, right? Now, again, this wasn't the big major move we've been waiting for XRP quite yet, but it is the start of, again, something potentially big. And just, you know, I know I've talked about this several times today, but I do want to talk about the stochastic RSI. You guys can see that there have been several inflection points that have caused XRP to go on some of these more pronounced movements to the upside. And what it looks like is we are about to re-enter that range where XRP can truly break out and make some major steps forward. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, but something that can, in fact, really spark up buying when it comes to XRP is institutional money. And what happened yesterday that I think kind of got overlooked because the news around, you know, everything was in fact so good, was that pro Bitcoin Paul Atkins was officially sworn in as the SEC chair. Now, why this is so important is we know a lot of these recent spots ETF filings have been essentially put on pause. It's because they were in fact waiting for this new pro crypto SEC to really get started. Now that this is official, I would not be surprised in the coming weeks, potentially few months, that we do in fact see green lighting of many of these spot ETF products. If you guys remember, there are currently, I believe, 10 XRP spot ETF filings, and that is indicating we have major demand from institutional money. And institutional money is heating up nonetheless. If you guys didn't catch some of my earlier videos today, $936 million worth of BTC bought over the last 24 hours. Ethereum, $38.74 million worth of buying took place. Guys, on the ETH side, that's actually the largest we have seen since the start of February. In terms of Bitcoin, that's one of the largest months we've seen, or one of the largest days we have seen in 2025 in general. So institutional money is showing you they have huge interest for assets right now. And because of what XRP is doing, it would not surprise me if, and because of the amount of filings, it would not surprise me if that is something that really can help carry XRP price higher. Now, we have seen sentiment improve across the crypto market. We're in the neutral range right now. We're not super greedy. We're not in extreme greed or anything like that. And it wouldn't surprise me if we do have a little bit of a chop. If we do get some good news, you know, there is the potential that we could see some more runs to the upside. But again, with that LPS phase, you do chop slightly before you make the next pronounced move to the upside. And again, there's no guarantee that we have to follow this exact trend, but you can definitely feel everything changing in the crypto market. You're seeing buying pick up. You're seeing shorts get liquidated left and right. Over the last 24 hours, it was to the tune of over $600 million. I mean, it's not a small amount by any means. So we are witnessing the hard pivot take place. The dip, the bottom, looks like it was just a few weeks ago, and hopefully people took advantage of that. We'll see if this does continue as the day goes on, but this is a very exciting time to be in crypto, and guys, we are just getting started. So I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.